Hey guys, today I'm going to try out Earnably, and I heard a few things about it but not sure about it, so I'm going to try it out and to save you some time so you don't have to, if you're skeptical about it. I'll be quick and so you can see everything, and if you decide in the end you like it or not, you want to try it out, then up to you. So it's a website where basically you complete tasks, watch videos, or take surveys, and you get points for them. Every point, I think it's I read it's 125 points equals $1. So I was kind of surprised about it because that's kind of low amount of points and equals $1. Usually it's like thousands and thousands of points equals $1, but this is just 125 points. And apparently the cash out requirements are very low too. It's just $1 to cash out. So I was pretty surprised about it. And so I'm gonna sign up for it and check it out, guys, so you don't have to do it and don't have to worry about it. So let's check it out. So sign up, click sign up. So you gotta enter your email and create username and password. So I'll see you in a second, guys. Let me sign up. Alright guys, I signed up. It's simple. You have to enter your email. Make sure you enter a correct email address because we'll send you a confirmation code on your email, and then the phone number, correct phone number, and they'll send you another confirmation number after that. So two-step confirmation, but whatever, as long as you enter it correctly, you'll get it. So I signed up, and this is what I see next. It says, thank you, your account has been confirmed. Offer was earn points by completing offers with any of our partners below. So these are their partners: Peanut Labs, AdSense Media, AdGate Rewards. I'm not sure what it's supposed to do, click on it or what, but I'm gonna scroll down. Alright, I guess this is all. I already signed up. That was the easiest sign up ever. All you have to do is enter your phone number and email, that's it. So let's just click on one of these. I'm gonna click Peanut Labs. I heard that before. So I'm waiting a second. I'm gonna try it out for at least 24 hours or a couple of days, and then I'll make more videos and combine it together so you guys can actually see it. It's gonna be faster for you than me, obviously. But okay, it's loading. Not sure what it's doing, but alright, here it goes. You say you can do surveys, featured offers, info, submit, purchase, click, app install. So 431 points if you subscribe to Hulu, so that's pretty nice. That's a couple bucks, more than a couple bucks actually. Remember, 125 points is $1, so it's pretty cool. 1 point if whatever. It's pretty cool. I seen this before. I've done this before, but I wouldn't like spend too much time on it personally. But if you're a college student or just in high school or something and you have time to waste, I would really jump on this. Easy money. So let's do that survey. So let's do a quick one. I'll speed it up so you don't have to do it. So guys, all of that was a profile thing, I guess. It wasn't a quiz really or whatever. I don't know what it was. So after it took me literally 2 minutes. I looked at the time, it took me 2 minutes, and now you can click and start taking surveys. So it matches up to your answers, like ask you like you're a male or female and how much you make, blah blah blah, and then just, I guess it figures it out and see what category you fall in. So you click on it and start making let me see, what's going on here. Okay, jumped right straight to this. Before today, which of the following restaurant had you heard of? So that's weird. They just straight jumps to this. Let's see what's going on here. So select survey, qualify for the survey, complete the survey. Okay, so you gotta qualify for the survey. So it's basically like other apps out there do the same stuff. But what I like about this is that the payouts are really low. So I'm gonna try it out, guys, and I'll see you in a second. But for me, it's gonna be a couple days, so I'll see you guys. So 20 hours later, guys, I made 235 points in total. I think I spent about 2 hours in total, so that's not bad. 235 points in 2 hours. And also I found out that every point actually worth 1 cent. So I actually got $2.55 in total for 2 hours. If you ask me, that's not that bad. If you're a college student or a high school, just the extra money on the side. So things I found out. So I did, if you click right here, you can see what you've done and what you received. So I got awarded for 4 surveys that I did, each about 10 minutes, I think. One thing you have to do before you do a survey, you gotta do a entrance survey where they ask you questions to see if you qualify or not. So if you qualify, you get to take the survey. It takes you another 5 minutes, I think, to qualify. That's not that bad. So I did these 4. In total, I think I did 2, 4, 6, 7. Looks like it. So some of these didn't work because this was one of these offers over here. As you can see, guys, I wouldn't even mess with these because I clicked on this one. I was trying to get the 66 points, but it was taking forever and just keep going and going and going, ask you questions, keep asking and never stop. So I wouldn't mess around with these. There used to be surveys in here. Will tell you how much every survey worth, but I did how many I see surveys? There's 5 surveys in total that I did, and now they want me to answer more questions about myself to see if I qualify for other questions for other surveys. So that's what you're gonna have to do if you decide to do this, and that's about it. That's all I found out. This won't make you rich, but I calculated is about you will probably make about $70.50 a month if you spend 2 hours a day watching TV. While you're watching TV, sit down and take these surveys. It's not that hard. I mean, it's just sit down. You don't have to answer them right away. You can answer the question whenever you feel like it. But if you spend 2 hours a day, a whole month, it's $70 in your pocket, guys. So I think that's pretty sweet. I would definitely do this if you're in high school or whatever. Or you just want extra money on the side, or you're a stay-at-home mom or whatever. I would definitely do this, guys. I will actually do this in a second, and I'll come back and see what's going on. If they give me more surveys, and I'll show you guys. So I'll see you in a second again. So guys, I clicked on it to complete my profile. Well, in order to complete your profile, you have to go through all of these right here. So as you can see, it's a 0% for survey preferences, shopping, 33%. So you gotta click on one of these. So let's see, let's get the highest one, 66, business. And then you just gotta finish it, the type of company organization which you work for, and then you gotta click on it and choose which one it is. And I'm not going to show you in the video, but that's basically what you need to fill out right here. And when you get to 100%, you can just refresh right here, refresh this page, and you get more surveys, hopefully. That's what I'm guessing. But for now, it really wants you to go and do the offers. As you can see, want to get more points, try offers below. Like I said, I wouldn't do it personally, but if you want to try it, I would if you want to try it, I would recommend trying on these no cost ones, and then just do some of these, try them out, and if you can get points, get points. I personally won't do them. I would go back in here, complete your profile. Whenever it says on top here, finish your profile, it will ask you later, and then when you do that, finish all this, you might get more surveys. And like I said, it won't make you rich, but I would definitely try it out, guys. If you're really looking for extra cash on the side, I'll really do it. $70 a month, that's not bad at all. So that's my review and I'm trying out this website, guys, and I hope you liked it. Please comment below if you have any questions, and let's see you guys in the next video. I'll try to help as much as I can and save you time so you don't have to do it yourself. This would probably take you hours and hours trying to figure it out and see was it worth it or not. Now you just watch a couple minutes, probably 5 minutes in this video, or 6, I don't know how long it will take, and that's about it. Hope you liked it, guys, and have a nice day. Yes, you don't have to just click on Peanut Labs like I did. If you go home you can click on any other partners that they have. You see, it doesn't matter. You can choose any of them. You come back and come back to Piano Labs. Look, I can come back to it, and then it's back here, and then I can go back home and choose other partners that they have. So AdSense Media, look at that. They got videos, surveys, and they also have the free option, or just don't have to pay for anything to get the points. So as you can see, here you go. They have studies. Pretty cool. It tells you how many minutes it will take. Obviously, you have to qualify for them, so you're gonna click and qualify for them. So it's pretty cool. If I go back home, I can click on the other ones. As you can see, this interface looks different, and look how these do it. They actually, you download games. So if you have a phone, just put it on your phone while watching TV, download the game and play the game. Get yourself 1,556 points. That's a lot of points, guys. This is so easy. So that's all, guys, and have a nice day.